Brimham Rocks in North Yorkshire is worth a visit. Massive rock formations rise from the moorland, each shaped by nature over millions of years. Some resemble animals, while others look like sculptures carved by wind and rain. Families wander together. Children climb the rocks and explore. With paths winding through the open moors and among the trees, every step offers a chance to discover something new, whether you're climbing the formations, taking photos, or simply enjoying the scenery. The atmosphere feels both peaceful and invigorating. The surrounding landscape is alive with greenery and forests, and couples pause to take in the views. Birds sing throughout the area, creating a natural melody that fills the air. Brimham Rocks is a place where nature, adventure, and beauty come together in perfect harmony.